Actually, it hits differently when you realize that you can actually create a multiple Curious Cat account on a single phone and be earning in every of those accounts each. For example, you have like 3 accounts, you have like 5 accounts, you have like 10 accounts. You can actually have them on one phone without you getting banned. So stay to the end of this video. I'm going to be showing you the guide on how to go about this without getting banned from A to Z. Okay, cash movement here. You are welcome. Do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and let's go, guys. All right, so the first thing you are going to do is this. You are going to head over to your, for example, let me go to my Curious Cat account. This is my Curious Cat account now. So if I click on my Curious Cat account, you are going to see, all right, so this particular account, so I'm currently not having any sub here. So what I want to do, I want to change this particular account. I want to switch to another account. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing first is to go here, go to the settings. Okay, just come to the Curious Cat sub app, click long press on it, click on this app info. Yours might be showing a icon about app info. Just click on that as well. Alright, so let's wait for it. So now this interface you are seeing on these settings, I know you will be very familiar with it. Okay, so this is what you are going to do. Once you get to this place, you are going to check for this storage and cache. Okay, so storage and cache. So I'm going to click on clear cache, also clear storage. Alright, so it's going gradually. So from then you head over back home. Then you click on settings. Where is my settings icon? Where is it? Okay, this settings. Okay, so click on settings. All right, so you are going to look for Google. This is Google. Okay, you are going to look for Google. If you don't see Google, just look for if you see Google immediately, you can just look for you can look for ads. Yes, you can look for ads. If you don't see Google immediately, you can look for ads. All right, so for me, I will just click on this Google. All right, so in this Google, this interface, you see recommended, you see all service. This is recommended and this is all service. So you are going to click on all service. Yes, so all service, you are going to scroll down. On this section, you are going to see privacy and security. You are going to see ads. Okay, so click on these ads. All right, so here we are. So here you think about how to do this without getting banned. You are going to see here that there is something called reset advertising ID. All this comes with your application, and then monitor each of activities that is being performed on your device. Anytime you are trying to set up an account, you know there is always an ID and you get that comes along with those accounts you are signing up with. All right, so the second aspect, you are going to say delete advertising ID. This is where we are going. So you are going to click on this delete advertising ID. So you can see this is interface. You will see the here delete advertising ID. You are going to click on it as well. So I just deleted it now. So it's not done yet. What you are going to do again, you see this get a new advertising ID. Click on this get a new advertising ID. Click on confirm. Now repeat this up to 2 to 3 times. Although the one I've done that once is already okay, but then you just have to be sure. You just have to be sure that you can do it like 3 to 4 times. Okay, delete, get a new, confirm, delete, get a new, confirm. All right, so I've done like 3 times. Let me do one more. Okay, delete, get a new, confirm. All right, very good. Now that very account that I have on my Curious Cat is no longer there anymore. And the moment you are actually doing this deleting, take note of this aspect. The device advertising ID, this code, this ID code you are seeing here. You notice that it's changing. Let me check. Let me do it again so that you can see delete advertising ID, delete, reset. You can see that it has changed now. All right, so that's actually how we go about it. So going out from here, you must take note of something. Make sure that you have the Gmail account make sure you have another Gmail account. So going out from here, make sure you have the Gmail account of that particular other accounts that you want to sign up with, that you want to log in into on this your same device. For example, maybe you've created like 5 accounts on the different phones. You must have those emails on your device, on this very device. You must have those Gmails on this very device. Okay, so let's go now. All right, so what am I doing next? From home, I'm heading over straight to my Curious Cat application. So where's my Curious Cat application? This is the application. So I'm heading over straight. You are going to see that the previous account has been the data has been cleared off and the cache. So let me click on it. All right, you are going to see that it's going to show me a new interface as if I'm trying to create an account or I'm trying to log in or anything. So all right, you can see it here. Very good. So what you are going to be clicking here is to click on, that's what you are going to be clicking on, and that particular Google account for the other Curious Cat account that you have is what you are going to impute into it. The moment you impute this into it, it's not going to tell you to, it's not going to be showing you a signing up or let me just say a creating of account something. It's going to show you how the account is, the situation of the account, and every money or every cash you have there is going to show it to you. All right, so I'm going to click on continue with Gmail. All right, so I'm going to click on this agree. So once I click on this agree, yes, for the sake of this aspect, I won't be screen recording beyond this aspect because it's not really advisable to screen record when you are logging in into an account, most especially a survey. But then I just want to assure you guys that this works. The moment you select the Gmail, just have that rest and peace of mind. If you've already done the process at which I showed you earlier, just have the peace of mind, and then you will enter automatically and you find your account still breathing. All right, so I had entered the account, but this was one thing I noticed the moment I was trying to enter the account. They are telling me to take 5 minutes to show they are telling me to take 5 minutes to tell them about my profile. Now there is an option below, you will see it's called not now. Click on that not now. Don't take any profile. You already have an account already, so you are not taking any profile anymore. Just click on not now and then you will arrive here. So this is how this was how I arrived here. You can see. All right, so this is actually how it is. So you can see that it's very different from the account I was using the other time. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to receive every of our new updates as we drop them. See you guys later. Bye.